Tell us what big event is happening on Sunday.
On Sunday, 4th of August, we shall have the Lunch Buffet Cruise and Tour, ladies and gentlemen. Let's cruise the party on the Hudson River. Boat departs is at 12:30 p.m. sharp.
Yes, it's a family-friendly buffet cruise. Come and cruise on the Hudson River overlooking New York City, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, look at the views. This is a must-attend lunch buffet cruise event. Remember, it's only $55 per adult and $45 per child. The menu includes boneless chicken, rice, tilapia, and seasonal vegetables. It will be a cruise never to forget. Come, let's have fun. Tickets are still available on the Wanyachijezi website as shown. See you soon.